Alright, so you've just picked up the brand new DJI RS5, and if you want to unlock its full potential and get those buttery smooth cinematic shots, this guide is exactly what you need. Let's get you set up the right way. First things first, make sure your battery is fully charged. Attach the tripod to the battery grip, slide it into the gimbal until it clicks, and lock it in place. Once that's done, unfold the gimbal and unlock each axis one by one to prepare it for mounting your camera. Now mount your camera using the quick release plate system. Secure the upper plate tightly to your camera, then attach the lower plate to the gimbal and slide your camera into place. Lock everything down properly. This is important. Now comes the most critical step, balancing. If your gimbal isn't perfectly balanced, you won't get smooth footage, no matter what settings you use. Start with the tilt axis. Adjust forward and backward until your camera can stay in position without falling. Then test it horizontally and fine-tune again until it holds steady. Next, move to the roll axis. Adjust left or right until the camera sits perfectly level. Finally, balance the pan axis by tilting the gimbal and adjusting until it no longer swings to either side. Once everything holds steady on its own, your balance is perfect. Now power on the gimbal. After balancing, always run auto calibration. This allows the motors to adapt to your setup and deliver optimal performance. Just place the gimbal on a flat surface and start calibration. It only takes a few seconds but makes a huge difference. Now let's talk about modes. Pan follow is perfect for basic tracking shots. It keeps your camera level and only follows left and right movement. Pan tilt follow adds vertical movement, making it ideal for reveal shots and dynamic framing. FPV mode unlocks full motion, including roll, giving you those creative cinematic angles. For even more advanced shots, you've got 3D roll for vortex-style footage and custom modes where you control exactly how each axis behaves. The trigger button is your best friend while shooting. Hold it to lock your framing completely, double tap to recenter, and triple tap to switch to selfie mode. If you're shooting fast action, activate sport mode. It increases responsiveness and keeps up with quick movements effortlessly. Inside the touchscreen, you can fine-tune everything. Adjust follow speed depending on your shot. Slow for cinematic movement, fast for action. Smoothness controls how gradually the gimbal starts and stops, which is key for professional-looking footage. There's even a Z-axis indicator to help you maintain a stable walk. Keep it green for the best results. You also get intelligent features like time-lapse, panorama, and active tracking. With the tracking module attached, the gimbal can automatically follow subjects, maintain composition, and even respond to hand gestures. And if you're creating content for social media, switching to vertical shooting is quick and seamless. Just rotate, lock, and rebalance for best performance. So to sum it all up, perfect balance, proper calibration, choosing the right mode, and dialing in your settings are the keys to getting pro-level results with the DJI RS5. Master these, and you're not just using a gimbal, you're creating cinematic motion. This is Drone Dominator, and now it's your turn to shoot like a pro.